What's up mga treasure? Meron tayong bagong nabiling item na perfect for our collector's essential. And this is our new magnetic case for TCG packs. So it's just 200 pesos na nabili natin sa Toys R Us Festival Mall. And it's very thick, kita nyo naman. And perfect na perfect to. Nalagayan ng mga TCG packs from different lines and year. Like itong NBA na to na napakatagal ng variant and released. Then itong kay Elvis, so some of you may not know him, like yung mga bata pa. Then ito ay napaka-perfect talaga for safekeeping. So let's try to rip this one up. Buksan na natin siya para matest natin if gaano siya ka-perfect and ka-fit for our TCG packs, as I said. So ang brand nito ay ayan, so kitang-kita nyo naman, One Touch Magnetic, clear ang glasses, no side gaps, easy siyang buksan. Kita nyo, bilis ko na buksan, and clear pa rin kahit alisin nyo yung main cover. So napaka clear pa rin niya and linis tignan. So alisin natin tong cardboard. Again, yung brand is One Touch Magnetic. So, ayan. So, meron din tayong nabili sa Shopee. So, ito naman ay 4 cards. 4 thick cards kasi ito. 30 pesos lang yung bili ko dyan. Pero, ayun, low quality nga. May mga side gaps and umaalog sa loob. So, hindi siya magandang for safe keep ng cards kasi maluluma, may moist sa loob and pwedeng masira yung quality. So, try na natin to para sa ating TCG packs. So, lagay natin tong Pokemon. So, ibuburo natin yan. Siguro after 10, 20, 30 years tsaka natin try buksan. So, ayan. Lagay natin siya dyan to see if it will fit. And lagay natin yung cover. Pero kita nyo naman, hindi siya ganun kasagad na sagad sa loob. May space pa rin sa taas.
Wow!
So, ayan, yung naka-cover. So, it fits. Well, not very, very perfect, pero hindi siya umalog. So, it's quite nice. And, ayan, dust-proof yan. So, alikabok free. So, perfect siya for pack preservation. So, napakaangas. Murang-mura lang. And napaka-quality. Yeah.